Today at AutoFix Pro, how does the 7-speed s-tronic dual-clutch transmission in the Audi Quattro work? The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission 0B5 from Audi, introduced in 2008. Weight, 142 kilograms with dual-mass flywheel and oil-fill wet dual-clutch. Input torque up to 550 Newton-meters. Designed for all-wheel drive. The basic concept of the dual-clutch transmission corresponds to the principle of other dual-clutch transmissions. See my videos on the subject of dual-clutch transmissions on my channel. The components. The dual-clutch transmission consists of the following components. The dual-mass flywheel. Clutch 1 for odd gears, clutch 2 for even gears and reverse gear. The input shaft 1 for the odd gears, and the input shaft 2 for the even gears and reverse gear. The parking lock wheel. The gear pairs for 4th, 6th, 2nd, and reverse gear. The gear pairs for 1st, 3rd, 7th, and 5th gear. The gear wheel/spur gear for the output to the front axle differential. The center differential. The flange to the rear axle differential. The mechatronic system processes the input signals from the engine and transmission control units, as well as from other control units in the vehicle. The input signals are used to control and regulate the following functions: the oil pressure, the dual clutch, the gear shifting. It also communicates with other control units in the car, for example the motor, to get information about motor temperature, engine speed, and more. The mechatronics consists of the following components: electro-hydraulic control unit, circuit boards 1 and 2 with sensor 3 for transmission input speed, which measures the clutch housing speed and clutch temperature sensor, as well as the travel sensors for gear selectors 1 to 4. The gear selector module with the 4 gear selectors. Additional sensors and the electronic transmission control unit are located on circuit board 3, which is not shown here. The 4 gear shifters are hydraulically operated. They are connected to the shift forks via a hook, which in turn sit on the sliding sleeves and push them to the left or right, depending on the gear. The image shows the force curve from first gear in red and from second gear in red-white. To illustrate the function of the 0B5 transmission, we cut it open. Through a compressed air connection, which we installed as a substitute for the hydraulic lines, the 2 clutches can be operated. In the video, you can see clutch 1 being operated. The clutch plates inside the clutch are also visible. When the left lever is operated, clutch 2 closes. Unfortunately, this cannot be seen because clutch 2 is located inside. Here you can see the gear shift in first gear when the sliding sleeve is pushed to the left, and in third gear when the sliding sleeve is pushed to the right. To see here, the gear shifts into second gear when the sliding sleeve is pushed to the left, and into reverse when the sliding sleeve is pushed to the right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks. More videos on my channel.